How to use Whiteboard in Zoom. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Whiteboard in Zoom. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Zoom. You can open up the website or you can simply open up the Zoom software as well. After that, start a new meeting. So first we'll have to start a meeting. So let's tap on start and start the meeting. Now you can join anyone else's meeting as well. It's completely up to you. And after you're here, on the bottom panel, you will see whiteboard option. You can tap on it and there you will see new whiteboard or existing whiteboards. So in this video, we'll focus on new whiteboards. So tap on new whiteboard. After you tap on it, your whiteboard should start loading. Now, just give it some time. If you're loading it for the first time, it might take some time, but after it loads, you can then start scribbling. And that's basically it. Now, you can use your pen, you can use a highlighter like this, you can use an eraser to erase everything, you can use different shapes, you can just put in shapes like this, you can turn it around. It's completely up to you. So let me erase this. Let me just remove this shape, or you can even add text here. So yeah, you can simply add text, you can move the text around, and that's basically how you use your Zoom's whiteboard. You can add sticky notes as well. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.